Hello guys, today we'll show you how to download Bluestacks in your PC. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, go to your Google Chrome and go to search, download like this. Follow this is the steps there. Download this Bluestacks like this and go. Okay. First now you can click to this is in the first link, okay? Or go bluestacks.com like this. Bluestacks like this guys .com, okay? It's no problem. Okay. Now we will go to the first link and here just click to download BlueStacks from here, and you can click any version like 32 byte or 44 or 64 byte or what you have, or if you have Android or something like that, or if you have for Mac or something like that, or you want to download BlueStacks 4 or BlueStacks 5. Okay guys, just click from this is for BlueStacks 5 and this is BlueStacks 4 for this is okay, and this is for Mac. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and don't forget this. Okay, we will try now like this, and now finally we have now this is here, this is the BlueStacks, and install it and you will be like this is BlueStacks 5, and we'll be enter and install it like this guys. And finally we have the BlueStacks app player, and you can download what you want, like Free Fire, like PUBG, like Warzone, like Call of Duty, like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Gmail. You can download everything in Play Store. Okay guys, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.